Apple's iPhone plans in 2023 include the potential of a new Ultra model replacing the Pro Max, something analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has also forecast. Kuo argues that differentiating the Pro models is a natural extension of the iPhone 14 versus iPhone 14 Pro differentiation that happened this year and that will likely continue in the iPhone 15 lineup. If that does come to pass, it could mean a higher cost for the iPhone 15 Ultra over Apple's current phones. Leaks Apple Pro opens in new tab, forecasts that the iPhone 15 Ultra could start at $1,199 at best, though that seems more like a guess than a certainty. The leaker recently doubled down on that price speculation, now putting the price hike over the $1,099 iPhone Pro Max at $100 to $200. We'd also be guessing on an iPhone 15 release date at this point, but it doesn't seem like Apple would launch any new phones prior to the usual fall launch window it's favored for many years. We'd guess that the iPhone 15 Ultra arrives in September 2023 at the earliest along with Apple's other new phones, possibly on September 22/23 precisely. iPhone 15 Ultra design and display. It sounds as if the iPhone 15 Ultra will keep the 6.7-inch screen size that Apple used for the Pro Max phones, and we'd anticipate the dynamic island feature Apple introduced as a notch replacement to the iPhone 14 Pro models will stick around. One iPhone 15 Ultra-specific rumor suggests Apple could turn to a new titanium alloy body, a feature that was first tipped for the iPhone 14 Pro models and that didn't pan out. Switching to that material would make for a more durable phone, something you'd expect from a device with an Ultra moniker. It's widely expected that 2023 is the year Apple finally switches out its Lightning port for USB-C, at least on some models. The top-end iPhones will get faster data transfer speeds from their USB-C connectors, presumably including the Ultra model, while the regular versions will be stuck at the same speed as Lightning. Of course, the iPhone 15 Ultra could skip ports entirely, emerging as the portless iPhone that's been rumored for years. That would certainly be a radical design change for Apple and one we're not sure would happen as soon as 2023, when just switching to USB-C would be a big step forward for any iPhone. This rumor lent more weight when Tipster Leaks Apple proclaimed that the iPhone 15 Ultra will make use of titanium on its chassis, and another leak posted an alleged close-up of the metal on a prototype iPhone. Again, this would make for a more durable phone but also one that could still be light thanks to titanium being as strong as stainless steel but lighter. The only problem is this could cause the price of the iPhone 15 Ultra to be increased, given the higher cost of titanium. However, a recent render of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, aka Ultra, showed the titanium body making its way onto the Pro and Ultra iPhone 15 models. iPhone 15 Ultra storage. It's too early to outline the storage capacity versions of the iPhone 15 Ultra, but we don't really see Apple changing up its Pro-level storage tiers too much. Thus, we will probably see the return of 128GB to 1TB storage spread for yet another year.